Question 1 to 2. Look and say. Number 1. What's for breakfast?
It's cereal.
Number 2.
What's for lunch?
Salad. Question number 3 to 5. Listen, look, and say the answers in full sentences. Number 3.
Chicken.
What do you want for dinner?
I want chicken.
Perfect. Number 4. Do you want salad?
Yes, I do. I want salad.
Number 5. Number 5. Do you want ice cream?
No, I don't. I want cake.
Question number 6 to 7. Look and ask the right questions for the answers. Number 6.
What do you want?
I want pizza. Number 7.
이거 그림이 뭔지 모르겠어요. 이렇게.
The left one is chicken. The right one is pizza.
Do you want 이게 치킨이라고?
Yeah.
Do you want chicken?
No, I don't. I want pizza. Question number 8 to 10. Look and say. Number 8.
Make spaghetti.
Number 9.
Bake pizza.
Number 10.
Grilled fish.
Very good. So this is the end of your speaking test. Great job.